So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This video doesn't have an intro, so I'll be running you guys through on this particular video. I guess you have watched this clip in my previous video, but this is a continuation vlog. After the unboxing that you guys have watched, I had a lot of things to do on this particular day. Remember, we have gone to the water park. I came back, I did the unboxing, and it's time to prepare food for my husband because he was coming back on this same day. I filmed that particular video, but I lost it. So today I have Ofa Zondo, that is insala soup with fish on the menu. I am also making abacha. Etom Chukwu is actually helping me out in the kitchen. He usually doesn't enter the kitchen. So I have finished cutting my azondo. I am also making use of beef to also make peppered chicken. So while at that, my fish is ready. Okay, when you're making your nsala soup with fish, always remember to bring out the fish so that it doesn't break. So right now I am putting in the pounded yam that will actually thicken the soup for me. Don't worry, my hands are clean. So here I am frying our meat for our peppered meat, which we'll be using to eat our abacha. I am not using fish, and right now I am incorporating back the fish into the insala soup so that the insala soup will enter into the fish. And while at that, I am also trying to finish up the editing of my video for that day so that I can actually upload it. So right now I am making our abacha. I usually do the frying method of the abacha. Sometimes I do the ikwe method, which is the ncha method. So I am making abacha right now. That is the ogiri that I am putting. Whenever I am done cooking, I love cleaning the gas because it's the way that you have cleaned your gas or taking care of it. That is how long it will stay for you. So these are all the meals that I made for this day. So this is the only thing that we'll be eating for this night. Here is mine. Yeah. So here is for yogurt. She said he can't eat swallow this night, so the swallow will be for tomorrow. So we're only eating abacha for this night. I am so tired. I don't try for today.
Thank you. Thank you, my lovely wife.
Without
next morning.
No! Judy, let go!
Hi guys, welcome back. So we're back from my neighbor's house, and in the spirit of our food sharing, Yogurt bought this rice that he wants to share to the estate security. Izzy, are you getting out of the rice? So Yogurt will be sharing food to the estates, as in not the whole. Hey, what am I saying, Lotana? To the estate security where we're staying. So we've already gotten it from Wuse Market. I don't know when that video will be going up. I will show you guys. So let me just show you the items that we are sharing, okay? So this is it. This is 10 kg, 5 kg rice, okay? This will actually cook one meal for Christmas for a family. So this is it. Inside this bag too, there are 5 kg inside, and then we have bottles of oil. So this is how many liter is this? Anyway, this oil. Easy. Push it inside so that these ones will not fall. So that is it for this morning because Christmas is fast approaching. So he needs to share it out. What of the other bag of rice?
We are not taking it out.
I see it. No, the other big one. In catches over. Oneka Hanadi.
12 plus Nazi year 5.
12, okay, plus Nazi year 5. Okay. Chuku gozi again nam. Latana. Go and carry oil. Okay, it's finished. The oil is finished. What do you say? Latana, what do you say?
Thank you to mommy.
Okay, well, let's go then.
Mommy, Eto is outside.
Eto is outside. Okay.
go in the car.
No, you can't enter the car. Oh?
Me.
Welcome back. Still on our weekend vlog. So I showed you guys the last time that my friend rears chicken. Shebi, this is the right English. Rears chicken, and the chicken the result don't call for this December. So this is the chicken that we placed order for the house. Now you can see how big this chicken is. This chicken cost 8,000 naira. I'm not sure you can get this price in the market, and I want to show you the sizes. They actually cut these sizes big. Okay, I know that before this video goes up, maybe the chicken must have sold out, I don't know, but if it goes up earlier, fine and good. So this is the size of the chicken. It's actually big, very big. So place order for yours. If you still need it, just send me a DM to know if she still has it. And yeah, one, so and it's okay. Shebi is for tomorrow. And you know, say anyway, you still cut this one. Oh, it's big. I told Lucy make she know they call my chicken big. Still add more, patience. Hey, see this one is big. Oh, Jehovah Nisi. Put two lap. See impata. See this size. Some of them they did not even, or they cut it big. Patience, put two kwokoko now. Put the leg. Then put the leg. So look at what I'm telling you. See, we still have some chicken remaining, and if this chicken was cut in smaller sizes, you will still eat this chicken 2 times. So to tell you that what I refer to you is not be moi thing. So look at it. This one will still cut it, and the other one will still cut it. So the chicken is quite big. It will do you people for Christmas, okay? Look at it.
Fashion with front row, Fendi and Prada, hardly Madonna, rich and you know, got all the cash, Louis on my back, wish you could have that. Gotta work hard, yeah. Spend that, custom made this square. Then you go, show it up, yeah. Got big bags, gold tags, oh.
Good morning, people. So we are all dressed up. So the child education mass is by 10 a.m. Yeah, we are late, but we're on our way. See my makeup. Yeah, in the makeup, umbo. No, what do you say?
A birthday.
Osemu, a birthday. Say good morning, people.
Oh my people.
Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to church.
So we're on our way to church right now. Everybody is going to church. Hey, Chibundo, say hi.
Bye.
Say good morning, people. Good morning, Patience. So we're going to church. When I get to church, I will show you guys my full outfit because we are rushing, but I'm loving the look. Now me tie this scarf. I don't know what's in a tie, but we're going with it like that. And then my yogurt man is also here. My baby. You say that they do baby for church. Why going to church? Should be that we're allowed to do love while we're going to church. Okay, let's go there. Grandpa, my children, don't disobey your parents. You disobey me, Kupogisi.
By yourself, you're so lucky. By yourself, you're so lucky. You're so lucky.
She's laughing.
You might have all the money in life, but there are things that you can buy. So put your hands around me and around me, cause I'm pricey. Spend the money, you're so lucky.
When I'm coming out, I look so vivacious. I look so tantalizer. And I'm always look so phantamagorious. And I'm always look so voluminous and colossus, and even look papacious, and even mamacious, and I even look all over and all over a church. I am so a fan of my dressing na the vandalization. On all is yoku. On all is yoku. My dressing vandalized.
One time. Look at me as I tell you. I don't know.
I need you for my family. So we're done with the first occasion. We are moving to the second one. So we are moving to the second one right now, which is kind of like, not kind of, which is close to the house. So I can go and remove all these removables and be free. So let us go there. I'll be looking at myself. This sorry.
If you want to talk to me direct. Don't go through the corners.
Next morning.
Hi guys, good morning, welcome back. So it's the next day after the child dedication and it was a blast. Like, it was a blast. We had an amazing time, like a full amazing time. Oh my god. Our car yesterday going up and down, going up and down. I didn't say na child dedication where I go come, I go chillax and the rest of them. But you know, when they're doing something close to your home, you need to participate. And being that the person doing something is kind of like family, you have to participate in everything. So yesterday, I waka 8,000 and something steps. Yeah. Now so what they do for here? More drink. I started getting tipsy. The thing what I missed yesterday, I see this person carrying spirit and drink. I drank bellies, I drank red wine. But as I was drinking, I was kind of like drinking water and the rest of them. I'm not really a strong-headed person when drinking. I'm a light-headed person. No beside the drink, but if you give me bellies, I will drink bellies. But all this spirit, all this kai will not they drink. How not they drink that thing? Anyway, it was a successful child dedication, and this morning I have already done my workouts. I just went around the vicinity and I came back. So I will say congratulations to Mr. Izu and Ugochi Mohalo on the child dedication of our Miliako, and we shall come forth for another child dedication. And as Miliako has come into your home, may you experience all the goodness that comes with it in Jesus' name. Amen. So right now I want to, hey, well done. Hold on, no, before you people see my armpit, I want to scratch. So I want to show you guys the aftermath of the child dedication. After sleeping on, I go chop. Hey, Jesus. Una try. Even the food people, ha. Wala wala. I don't really know how to end this particular vlog, but let me just give you guys a rundown, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you if you have watched up to this moment. I really appreciate. So this video that you watched, because sometimes, not sometimes, if I'm filming for long form content, I am also filming for short form content, maybe reels or YouTube shorts. So because I lost the videos that I have filmed on my hard drive, because the child dedication video was actually on that hard drive, and other videos that I lost, anyway, the child dedication video was on that hard drive and I lost it. So you are watching the video that I posted or I filmed with my phone for short form content. Sometimes if my camera is down or if I'm going out, I film with my phone. So those are the videos that I have compiled together and I posted as one vlog. So that is what I'll be posting from time to time. The ones that I have filmed with my phone, I am going to compile it together to post, because I don't have access to the ones that I filmed. Anyway, you guys know the backstory. So thank you so much if you have watched up to this moment. I really appreciate. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and please join my membership. Watch my ads too. It is really important. And God bless you all. Watching this video is kind of like, or editing this video is making me emotional, because remembering that hard drive again. Anyway, as well, thank you guys, and bye.